Hey guys, here we go. CQDX, this is Northern New York 202 calling Jamaica 121. It don't hurt to try.
Yeah, top of the morning, right back to you, 121, go back.
CQDX, Northern New York 202, we're trying. Kind of active. So it's West Virginia, basically, area talking into Jamaica. It was South Carolina and stuff like that. I've been following it, seeing where we're going here. And I wanted to, let me turn this down a little bit. Yeah, this is my Lafayette Telestat SSB 140. Still runs good. I think this is what, a +3 or something like that. I'd have to, let me read it here. Oh no, it's a 400 expander Turner. I just replaced a microphone on it. I was making a video and I said, all of a sudden my modulation went down, and sure enough, those 9-volt batteries. Yeah, so it's a year old anyway. And look at a meter splash on this. One more time. CQDX, Northern New York 202 USA, we're trying.
Just playing along, I'm having a good time. It's Friday, right? It's Friday. We're going to have fun.
All right, it's Friday. Give me an answer there. It's New York 202.
So maybe I do need to learn something. I'm going to listen. I'm listening, guys. I got my big ear on it. Well, go ahead and bum it down. 1440. Run it outside of the big stone.
CQDX, Northern New York and the Adirondack Mountains. We're trying to get out. New York 202. He's probably answering it. Well, thankfully, I guess I'm not getting out, but I am getting out for sure. We're running on the Astro plane right now. We're running on the RM503. We're not running much, about half what it's worth. Yeah, yesterday I was making I wanted to make a video out in the shack. I got the Vector out there, and I had the Lincoln 2, I still do, and I tuned up and went on, and I got this great station out of Texas, 707. The only problem was, I thought the camera was going, and it wasn't. The battery had died. I've been busy, but, building decks and everything on the farm, and hay and tractors, whatever. Doesn't matter, but so I'm trying to catch up now. But I wanted to give a shout out to 707 in Texas, because I did not get it on video. So if you do watch this one, I'm sorry about the video, but it was a most excellent contact. Your system is running very, very well, and you explained to me what you were running, and it seems like you got it. You weren't running much power. I wasn't much. We were about the same, equaled out. So I just wanted to pass that on to 707. That was almost a 10-minute contact. So sorry about that, but it does happen. Now, this is getting crazy on 38 here. And I got that
And
down.
so, Matty, that was back in the days when people died and they put on their head. My coffee? They died of consumption.
Oh my, CQDX, Northern New York 202, we're trying.
On your death certificate, they didn't know why you died. They just you died of consumption. You were consumed.
And enough of that meatball. CQDX, Northern New York 202, we're trying. It's actually better than listening to that other guy talk. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm going to be on the radio and not on 38, I guarantee you that. Squelch there, and I just wanted to show you what's going on. It is moving northward, so we'll see what actually moves in. Be on the radio today, this morning. At least, I hope. Everybody have a good one. This is New York 202 USA, wishing you all the best. Drew out, and I'm out.